What if one small mistake could cost your company millions or destroy its reputation overnight? Sounds scary, right? That's exactly why businesses rely on something called GRC. Let's break it down. Whether you're a startup founder, IT professional, or future compliance leader, understanding GRC is becoming non-negotiable. So today, I'm answering one simple question. What is GRC, and why does it matter? GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. In simple words, it's a structured way organizations make the right decisions, identify and manage risks, and follow laws, regulations, and internal policies. Instead of handling these separately in silos, GRC brings everything together into one integrated framework. And according to OCEG, GRC helps organizations achieve objectives, deal with uncertainty, and operate with integrity. Now, let's unpack each part. Governance is all about direction and accountability. It defines who makes decisions, who owns which responsibilities, how policies are created, and how performance is monitored. Think of governance as the rule book that guides how a company operates. Risk is unavoidable. It could be financial loss, cyber attacks, operational failures, or regulatory penalties. Risk management means spotting problems before they happen. It's proactive, not reactive, not just avoiding danger, but being prepared when challenges show up. Compliance is about following external regulations and internal policies. But real compliance goes deeper than checklists. It means embedding rules into daily operations, so employees naturally follow best practices and compliance becomes part of company culture. Why combine them? Because governance, risk, and compliance are deeply connected. GRC creates a single view across the organization, sometimes called a GRC window pane, helping leaders make smarter, data-driven decisions. Instead of scattered efforts, everything works together. A strong GRC framework delivers better regulatory compliance, structured risk management, improved operational efficiency, and higher trust from customers and stakeholders. In short, GRC keeps your business safe, agile, and future-ready. Quick clarification on security versus GRC. Security focuses on protecting systems and data. GRC looks at the bigger picture. It ensures security aligns with business strategy. Security is tactical. GRC is strategic. Industry reports show a strong shift toward cloud-based GRC platforms. Leading tools like ServiceNow, SAP, and MetricStream help organizations manage risk, compliance, audits, and governance, all from one centralized system. GRC isn't just about avoiding fines. It's about building a resilient organization that understands its risks, acts with accountability, and aligns everything with business goals. When done right, it becomes a competitive advantage. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and tell me what part of GRC you'd like covered next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.